has been conditioned to be greater. Beyond good looks and ultimately beautiful hair, she demonstrated overall beauty and inspires everyone to always strive for greatness. The award for Miss Cream Silk goes to Miss Bohol, Pauline Amelix. The next award is given to the candidate who exudes a personality that is refreshing and long-lasting. The Downey Sweetheart Award goes to Miss Bohol, Pauline Amelix. And who possesses a complete skin health regimen and embodies Cetaphil's healthy skin for the body, even under the sun. Miss Cetaphil's son is none other than Miss Bohol, Pauline Amelix. This award is for the candidate with the most unforgettably beautiful face. Brought to us by Front Row Lux White, the Face of the Universe Award goes to Miss Bohol, Pauline